Hey there guys, welcome back to Matt's Art Box. I'm Matt, and in this video I thought I would give you all an update of kind of how my area has developed since I started doing the channel back in September. Getting ready to redo it, kind of overgrown what we've, accumulated for new art supplies and what future projects are going to be. So I thought I'd kind of give you an update, and I hope you like it. Stay tuned. Alright, this is my jumbled mess. As you can see, I've got a lot of stuff. It's really cluttered, and I've got everything from markers, pads, paintbrushes, art books, but not this. We don't do this. But for those long hours when we're doing our videos, sometimes it takes, 8-10 hours to do drawings and editings. We've got some smell good. But as you can see, it's real cluttered. At first, all I had was just the desk and my computer there, and my trusty light. But at first, it didn't have, a lot, so I opted to buy a few of these clip-on desk lights. And when I made my camera mount rig, I added this one here also. And then I made a place so that way I can attach my camera. But this is just, it's definitely overgrown. At first we just started with some pen, paper, some colored pencils, and then we started with these Premier sketch markers from AC Moore. But that's for a later video. I plan to show why I've switched to Copics and other ones now. But yeah, I mean, I now have a digital tablet that I use for my editing and possible digital artwork in the future. Subscribe if you want to see this. And then, like I said, we've got more markers. We've got these dynamic pose models, more paintbrushes, additional lights, different art books. And I mean, I've got so much stuff now. I actually had to go ahead and add these 2 extra pieces of storage. I mean, every one of these is full of books and art supplies. I mean, it's ridiculous. Even these, more art supplies for future videos. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. And we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you what I plan this new layout to look like. All this cluttered mess will be gone. And here we go. Alright, and this is our new corner setup. It's a lot more functional. I'm going to give you the layout. Start from the left here. Got a bookshelf with all of my different art books. A few how to draws. I like to get them, I mean, they don't really help too much anymore, but I like to get them for reference pictures. And then up here at the top, it's more reference books, a few more how to draws, some current drawings and projects, some magazines, art books for some various video games, my hat. And at the bottom there we have a toolbox with some craft supplies for some future videos. So make sure you subscribe to stay current. And as we go over, we've got some of my blank art books and some art pads. They come in various sizes. And then into here, it's like I've added all of my different art supplies, stir sticks, pencils, pens, pencils, and then some various office supplies, some pens, some paper, pads. And that's a future video. Make sure that you stay tuned for that. And as we keep going over, in this one, it's got some of my finished art books with some camera gear, you know, a printer copier, my bag that I take with me. It's got my current sketchbook and various art supplies that I use on a daily basis. And as we continue to go around, decided to move my pencils and my paintbrushes on the side there beside of my pencil sharpener. And then we've got my Huion drawing tablet. It's in the corner. It's got a lot of room. I can pull it around whenever I decide I want to do any kind of digital artwork. I've got my 2 movable lights here. Same setup as before. Still have my PVC camera rig with the light built in. And I got some posable figurines. But that right there is the biggest improvement right there. Is now all of my markers are neatly organized. And I've got all sorts of them. I've got Copics, Premiers, Ahuhu markers, Azure markers, some Winsor Newtons. I mean, I've got all sorts. And I plan to do a video in the future kind of showing pros and cons of each. And then as we keep going up, this here was a spray paint art, the first one for this channel. I'll make sure I'll put the link in the description below. I hope you check it out. And then up here at the top, if I can get some light, there we go. My various little nerd figurines. I got some Egyptian statues that I like. You know, Anubis, Ra, Horus, an obelisk. Then I got a little steampunk skull. And a lot of the Funko Pop figurines. Star Wars. We even got a custom Dr. Pepper one that I got. We got the little turret from Portal 2. Power Rangers, Sons of Anarchy. I mean, my pop culture goes everywhere. And in the back here we got Mega Man. Heat Gut style from the NT Warrior series. The Megazord from Power Rangers in Space. Ultimate Iron Man. A Minion. And then my various Gundam collection. I've been doing those for a few years now, on and off. I do the 1/144 scale. I'm working on one that's a little bit bigger. I'd like to do some time-lapse videos of the construction of those in the future. If you're possibly interested in that, make sure you leave a comment down below. And we'll go back to the art on the other side. And of course, there's the Deadpool 7 Styles. I'll also put the link to that one down below. Hope you check it out. This is a new piece. I started trying to combine some drawing with some spray paint art. I do a lot of spray paint art, but I put it on my Instagram. The link's down below. Follow me for updates that I don't put up on YouTube. I hope you check it out. And of course, we've got the paint collage that I did. Again, I'll put that link in the video down below. So we've got the original drawing for one of our Alien videos. That was a redraw kids video. I enjoyed that a lot. I'd like to do that again. I just can't show children in it. But we got ways around that. And that one there is probably one of my oldest drawings that I have growing up of Hulk versus Bruce Banner. In a little bit, I plan to redo that one to kind of show then and now. And this is probably the biggest that hasn't been on any of my accounts. The Instagram, Newgrounds, YouTube, nothing. In my free time, I do acrylic drip paintings. I do plan to make some videos of those in the future. And I'm no professional at it, but I think I can do them really well now. I'll just give you a little view of them. Now those were some of the ones that they were failed attempts when we were sealing them, but I couldn't get rid of them, so I decided to keep them. I do them with myself and my girlfriend. But like I said, I do plan to do videos of those in the future. I have big plans for this channel, so I do hope that you subscribe, like, and comment down below on anything that you'd like to see in future videos. And have a nice day.